In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a squeeze page in Systeme.io. A squeeze page is a simple focused page designed to capture a visitor's email address in exchange for something valuable, like a checklist, a guide, or a discount. The goal is to remove distractions and make it super clear what the visitor should do next. First, log into your System.io account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Funnels section in the main menu and select Create. You'll be asked to name your funnel. Choose a name that makes sense for your offer or campaign so you can find it easily later. Then select the goal called Collect Emails. This goal sets up your funnel to focus on building your list and gives you a default structure centered on the opt-in step. Next, you'll choose a squeeze page template or start from a blank canvas. Templates are a great way to move fast. Browse the options, preview a couple, and pick one that matches your style and the type of free offer you're promoting. If you prefer total control, choose the blank option and build it from scratch using the editor. Now let's customize the page using the drag and drop editor. Start with the headline. This is the first thing visitors see, so keep it clear, specific, and benefit driven. Tell people exactly what they'll get and why it matters. You can add a short sub-headline for extra clarity if your template includes one. Next, customize the form. Keep the fields minimal, usually just a first name and email address. Fewer fields typically means more signups. Update the placeholder text to make it clear what to enter, and include a brief note about what subscribers can expect, like how often you'll email and that they can unsubscribe anytime. For the button, use action-oriented text that matches your offer, something like get the guide or send me the checklist. Pick a bold, high-contrast color so it stands out. In the button settings, make sure the action is set to submit the form. After submission, you can redirect visitors to a thank you page or show a confirmation message depending on your funnel setup. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to align with your brand. If your template has images, replace them with relevant visuals or remove anything that creates clutter. Keep the design simple and focused. Before you finish, preview the page and check it on mobile to ensure everything looks clean and easy to read. Don't forget to save your changes. That's it. You've created a focused, conversion-ready squeeze page in System.io.